WLD is flying at the moment, and all of this was planned again before it happened. In today's update, I'm simply going to update this chart here so we can know exactly what to expect next, what price we can reach, and so you can literally get the next move again, because this rise was planned, everything was planned simply in a daily update. Normally this was some Bitcoin update, by the way, this was an altcoin live stream, I'm saying shit. We were simply looking here for this nice increase in price here from the wave 4 up to the wave 5 here. Okay, so it was also here normally. You can see here I was looking for this nice WXY, so a retracement into this buy zone here to form this wave 3, 4, and to look next for the wave 5. So that brings us with this very nice long trade, and well, all of this played absolutely perfectly. As you can see here, we've got this nice WXY down plant, and so we've got this nice WXY down into our buy zone, and from here we get this nice increase in price. So it is possible to predict really literally the next move. The only thing you need to do is to use the good technical analysis. This is Elliott Waves. It really allows you, as you can see again, to plan the next possible move. And if you want to learn this, well, I'm going to teach you in today's update, of course, how to do this. But if you want really to get a course, you can simply go and sign up on our website, the MOONCHARTS.fr website. You have a brand new Elliott Wave course, and the first lesson is already available on the basic rules, so you can really start your learning. And you're right on time, by the way, because this is the first lesson. And so on every single Monday, you will get a new Elliott Wave course. There are 10 courses at the end, and you will be able to play 3 contest. In addition to this, the first one is coming on April, the first week of April, so we'll be able to play this in 22 days, and next we continue until June with all the courses and everything. So really, if you want to learn Elliott Waves, you want to plan such trades really well, simply go and sign up on the website. And now let's simply see what we can look for next. So the thing is here, I'm going to show you a bit of the context first of all, so I'm going to zoom out a bit here. The context is simply here, we have this nice impulsive to the upside, so a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the wave 1, into the wave 3, and into the wave 5, you're going to get 5 waves. So into that wave 3, okay, it's like Russian doors. Into this wave 3, we have this blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, into the wave 1, into the wave 3, and into the wave 5, we have 5 waves. So again here, into this blue wave 3, we need to count 5 waves. So here are the white 5 waves, and these 5 waves, the white ones, was simply the one was looking for here, so the wave 4 up to the wave 5 there. This is simply what we have been trading. You can make some really big amounts by trading wave 4 and 5 all the time. This is pretty crazy, except if you was early on this coin and you was spotting this wave 1 to here, but otherwise you can make some nice amount with this. This is pretty nice. So here is, well, the thing is now what we can look for next. We can simply look for the wave 5, but the thing is now, as I said, the wave 1, 3, and 5 need to get 5 waves. So the only thing we need to do at the moment is to count 5 waves into the wave 5. The thing is, we can also use the Fibonacci extension and retracement. So here extension, because we're looking for the wave 5, to find the different targets. The thing is, here we are in an extension already, so it's not possible to pull the 1, 2, 3, 4, and so the wave 5 targets. If I do, well, you're going to see, we're in an extension, so we are not going to find any target. So if you pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top right here to the wave wave 4 bottom, sorry, here you add the wave 5 targets. Well, you can see I'm going to remove this buy zone here just for the moment so we can see a bit better here what's going on right there. You can see that the maximum target is a 2618. We have the 618, the 618, 1-to-1 extension, so the 100%, the 1618, 2618, and these are the wave 5 target. The problem is now we are way above this, and as always, in any case, to stop before the wave 3 top, so to speak, to make a wave 5 truncated is a lot less probable, so we do not bet on this. So the only way to find the targets is to simply add the bigger blue wave 3 targets. So we can simply, just gonna control everything to get the buy zone back, we can simply remove this extension tool and simply look for the targets above here. So to find the blue wave 3 targets that are going to finish clearly the white 5 waves, so these will be the targets, we simply have to pull the extension tool. I'm going to go on the 12 hours, it's going to be a bit more easier. You can see right there are the targets here, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's go on the log scale to be able to catch a bit easily this wave. Where is the bottom here? Yeah, there. So take the extension tool, click first on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and third on the wave 2 bottom. Okay, from here you're simply going to add the following targets. So normally you add, so all the wave 3 targets, so to speak. Here if you add all the wave 3 targets, you can do this, bam, so you have the 1-to-1 extension where we have only 2% chance to stop, so it's very small, so we do not bet on this if we're in the bull market, really. Then you have the 1618, this is a target we're going to look for, we are going to look for to be reached at a minimum. Now, if you're in a bull market, you should go into higher targets, really, so we have the 1-to-1 extension, the 100%, the 1618, the 200%, 2618, 3618, and the 423.6. These targets are the wave 3, the blue waves right here. I'm gonna maybe increase a bit the opacity so we can see a bit better. So all of these are the targets, really. So now we can simply remove the ones that are below. We don't really care anymore as we are above to not get too much fibs on the chart. So here, this 200% is the first target really we can look for. If we keep pushing higher, well, we are simply going to look for the 2618. I'll let you pause the video so you can check the price here. By the way, I can't say the price. So around $10, and we have 12s, okay, $12, then we have $15, $16, and then we have 18, well, $18, $20, really. This will be the maximum target we can reach with this wave 3 only. Next we have the wave 4, 5 to complete, and the other wave 4, 5 to complete. So the thing is now, this is where, okay, the 4 targets here is where the wave 3 should end. After this wave 3, the only thing we need to do is to look for the wave 4. How do you find a wave 4 targets? It's simply what we have done in this wave 4 here. Let's take the case that we're going to do like one more, but that we're going to go to the 2618. Okay, we're going to stop exactly on this. The only thing you need to do is to take your retracement tool this time, because we look for a retracement. You pull it from the wave 3 top, so click first on the wave 3 top, second on the wave 3 root, or the wave 2 bottom, really. You simply have to add next the wave 4 targets. So to speak, I'm going to add the 50% too. The 23.6, okay, 23.6 MC fib, so the 31.32, 38.2, and the 50%. And this will simply become the buy zone where we can reload your packs, look for a longer gain, and simply look for the wave 5 after this. And again, next we just have to look for the wave 3, 4, or 5, extra like this, okay? So just gonna control everything, because for now we're going to look for the wave 5, so the white one, so to end the blue wave 3. And so as I said earlier, we just need to count 5 waves into this wave 5. What we can see here is simply that we have, for the moment, as you can see, a triple wave to the upside. We have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. So we need to make a wave 4 and a wave 5, and this will complete the wave 5, and so the bigger blue wave 3. So the thing is, now we can simply go on a bit of a lower time frame. Okay, just gonna hide this for the moment, we don't really care anymore. And let's focus now, on the smaller time frame wave count here. So we can go here on the 1 hour, and so, well, we simply have this wave count as I draw here. We simply have here a wave 1, okay, a wave 2 retracement, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So again, we have to do exactly the same, but on the lower time frame, really. So for example, here we can get a possible long trade setup. Just gonna check something here really quick on the lower time frame, because we're possibly into this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the moment, before to complete this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Let me go on a bit of a bigger time frame. Yeah, we should be steering to these smaller waves. So I'm gonna go with these smaller waves. So let's go here. We have this wave 1. I guess here normally I'm gonna check this next. 3, 4, 5. Just gonna change the color of everything. So let's add this blue, let's add this pink, and let's add the wave so we can see a bit better here what's going on. Oops, misclicked this. So let's go on this. Like that, and we can simply do the same for the waves here. Perfect. So now these are the smaller waves we're going to look for before to look for a reversal, for the big blue really here, next wave 4. Just gonna hide these waves here for the moment so we don't get too much stuff here on the chart. The only thing we need to do is to trade smaller waves. For example, if you're a day trader, well, you can make money by trading these waves. It's like, for example, yesterday on Floki, we were simply looking for this white wave for retracement before to look for a bounce for the wave 5, and this will complete, bam, the pink, if I can catch this, the pink wave 3, and then we'll have to look for the wave 4 for the wave 5. Again, if you want to get more on Floki, simply go and check on the YouTube channel. You have in the video section here, you have the latest update on Floki. And if you want to trade also Pepecoin, where we have been able to make some crazy gain on this, simply go watch at this. You have just many coins really. And if you want to get even more than this, because I'm not posting everything on the YouTube channel, you can simply join the Discord server and enjoy all of this TA. This is absolutely insane. For example, here we've got AXS, where I was looking for a nice increase in price. Well, it's in a video, but you have, for example, Phil here, so I was looking for a nice increase in price. You can see wave 2, wave 3 here. Well, we did got a bounce, and so now we are into the wave 3. You have many coins like this, and you have even more here into the other TA section. Just go and join, just join and enjoy, because all of this is free. I don't need your money to pay, or you don't need to pay me or whatever. join and enjoy. That's it, really. Okay, not gonna say more about it. You will see for yourself. So the thing is here, in that case, if we have to finish these smaller waves right here, we can simply pull the retracement for the wave 4. So again, we do exactly the same. Wave 3 top down to the wave 2 bottom. At the wave 4 targets with a 50% in addition to this. So 23 on 6, 31, 32, 38.2, 50%. This will again become the buy zone for the, gonna remove the 20% here. I keep misclicking the stuff. 200%. We can now so simply look for this buy zone for a bounce for the wave 4 next for the wave 5, and this wave 5 we simply have to add the wave 5 targets next. If you want to stay updated on this, join the Discord server. I'm gonna let you know. This 5 waves will complete the wave 3, and again next we'll have to look for the wave 4 and next for the wave 5. So for example here, if you pull the extension tool for this, well, let's take the case that we go and stop on the 38.2. We have to add the wave 4 targets, so to speak here, the wave 5 targets, to place the extension tool wave 1 root, wave 1 top, wave 4 bottom. From here at the 618, 1-1 extension, 1618, 2618, so to speak, the fibs here, the yellow one, the red one, the blue ones here. From here, these will become the targets. And so, for example, here, if we bounce from the 38.2, if we go more down, well, it's going to lower all the targets. So it's just dependent, really, where we bounce from. But if we bounce, for example, from the 38.2, well, this will become the target. And so, for example, here, the 1618 is the most probable. So you long here, take profit here, and then you look for the wave for retracement. Again, we do it again and again and again the same all the time. You take the retracement tool, you place it from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, you add the exact same target, and again this will become the buy zone where we expect a bounce. And from here we look for the wave 5, and this 5 pink wave, as I said earlier, will complete the white wave 5 and the blue wave 3, and after this we look for the bigger wave 4s, which I have to zoom out at the wave 4 targets. And here we go again, we shall make a wave 5 next. This is pretty cool, right? So this is a plan at the moment, and to make it easy, if you don't really care about the lower time frame, so I'm gonna name this lower time frame. If you don't really care about all of this, well, simply pay attention to the wave 5 and so the higher time frame wave 3 targets. This can be your take profit if you prefer. If you don't want to trade all these lower time frame waves, you don't care, don't pay attention to this, simply look for all of these 4 targets, and this is where we should end up this wave 3. Don't forget, after this there is not a massive crash normally, we should retrace for a wave 4 and push higher again, minimum to take this high to make another wave 5. Okay, so if you're on the long term, no reason normally, it should not drop directly. Now, of course, don't forget to still take profit one time just in case, maybe remove your main investment and now let it go, let the rest go. It's up to you, how do you want to trade this? But yeah, for now, this is the plan, this is what we can look for on this asset. And if you want to stay updated, because I'm going to trade this asset, already bought this bottom here with a nice profit made now, by the way. And so, well, I'm going to trade these smaller waves as I'm a day trader, so I'm going to trade all of this. So if you want to trade this with me, well, simply join the Discord server and you will be able to. Anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a nice weekend ahead. Take care of you and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.